Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload 3-minute Instagram Reels full guide. So this is a relatively new feature, so let me guide you through it. First of all, come to the bottom of Instagram and click on the plus like so. Then what you want to do is come to the bottom and select Reel. Now if you go and select camera in the top left of the new Reel page, you go over to the left, click on the arrow and you click on length. You notice the max is 90 seconds. So at the moment, the max you can do is when you're recording a reel like that is 90 seconds. What you need to do is go into your camera roll. So the reel needs to be already recorded. Then you can go and select the reel like so. You can see that this is 3 minutes. Then we'll press next. And then as you can see at the bottom, you can choose a segment of up to 180 seconds. You can see there is that it's quite dark, but yeah, you can have up to 180 seconds. So I can choose the part I want. I will then press next in the top right. I can go and customize. It will press next again and we can then go and post it, add your caption, go through your settings and click on share. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.